Hey guys, welcome to my series 2. My car is currently a 2017 Hyundai Elantra Limited and it looks like crap. Here's a little video. The whole back is out. There's ants all in the car. There's a huge spider web. What else is wrong with it? What's not wrong with it, if we're being real? I really don't know. So this is just me basically just fixing it up and making it look brand new. Or let's try to. I don't want to be represented that car when I drive around. It just looks like butt. So I went to Dollar General. That was all $63 altogether. I got a sponge, micro towels, micro wash, fit, mitt, needed gloves. Absolutely need gloves from how dirty it is. We have a glass mirror fiber thing, face mask, protectant, carpet cleaner, 3-in-1, glass cleaner, cleaning wipes scented orange, and of course car wash for the exterior. Very much a big need. But that's not the only things I got. I also went to Home Depot. Well, I didn't actually go to Home Depot. I actually DoorDash, so I didn't realize how big this 4-pound bag would be. Liquid ant baits. So guys, let's go and put this bait in my car to get rid of me.
Just to give some context on my car, I did not do this. Somebody else did this and they gave it to me for free. All I have to do is pay the insurance and there's no car payments on it. So now I just want to fix up the car to make it look like something that I own. But I do now own the car and I'm just happy to have a car even if it does look like this, and I'm just ready to fix it up. Now, before you guys say anything, yes, I should not have just put it all in that car like that, because I am now struggling to vacuum it back up. And yeah, but I felt like it was necessary. If y'all seen how many ants there was and the spiders that were in the back seat, it was necessary. They had to go. As you can see, I did originally put the base outside by the tires, but I did ended up putting them on top of the tires so it could be easier for the ants to access it. And what this will do, the ants will literally go to the bait and then bring it back to its queen and the whole colony will die.
Just ants. I think they're coming out. So, to the inside. Doesn't that look disturbingly disgusting? I'll put it on there, all right there. That's it, and we'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, I'm tired. Okay, that's it. Okay, I just came back and I have literally powder all over myself.
Right now he's putting this white stuff all over the car to keep bugs from it, because we gave up. There's so many ants. Miss YouTube.
Hello.
Socks and sandals. Hooray if it were.
During day 2, I officially gave up. As you can see, I am sitting down because as soon as I came out, the ants started swarming. They were worse than yesterday. They were all over the car. It looked disgusting. And I asked my sister and her boyfriend for assistance, and he decided to put the powder all on the outside of the car, and he said this will help so that no more ants can get towards the car. So I'm just gonna trust him because he said this worked for his car, and I don't know, I'm running out of ideas. I'm just going to wait 2 weeks and then vacuum it all up and wash it and see how many ants are in the car, and hopefully there's 0.
Like I was saying here, very thick line of my special technique, diatomaceous earth, encompassing the entire vehicle. And with this, no demon ants getting through. As I said before, this is almost...
Got it on your pants, boy.
What'd you say?
Guys, don't mind my room, but she came in.
She literally came in and that's not what I expected. I don't know why I expected her to be like more plastic. Like obviously this is plastic, to be like rubber plastic. Like it feels so good and it matches my car exactly. She was a big girl. Oh my gosh. It was so hard getting her out of this plastic, but they put it in nicely. But I am so happy and I'm about to text somebody off of Facebook Marketplace to please help me put this in. The only thing is I'm scared about is that. I'm nervous about that part, but other than that, I'm so excited. Super excited.
So I actually did get somebody to put on my car part from Facebook Marketplace, but before they put it on, I went to wash the outside and the inside of my car because it looks really bad right now, as you guys seen with all the powder and stuff. And I don't want them to think I'm just like a nasty person, because I swear I'm not. This is from the previous owner. I'm sick. Thank God for my apartment. They have like this part saying car care. So I just used the stuff from Dollar General and washed my car with the hose. And now I'm going in with some glass cleaner and spraying each and every window. I did do the inside and outside of each window just so I can really get that grit from both sides. I do recommend this glass cleaner because it left my windows looking so clean and clear. It did so good. But before I show you guys my car, I am disappointed. Now the guy did a great job. It looks so seamless how he put it on. My problem is the color match. They gave me a Y8S instead of V8S, which is silver instead of gray. But regardless, it still looks better than what it did look like. So I did end up going to Tidal Wave and vacuuming all of the white powder and stuff. And guess what, guys? It did work. I have not seen ants in my car like at all. So I recommend doing this instead of spending so much money and making somebody else do this. But I still have grit and stuff on my carpet, so I got this carpet cleaner and I spray it and then I leave it on for like 30 seconds and then I just scrub. And then after this I'm gonna have to go to Tidal Wave again so I can get that dirt up. Well, it looks better than what it did. I also did that side, but I'm probably gonna go in and do it again. Using this protector, and I'm gonna spray it literally on this because it looks kind of gray because of the powder. And then get a microfiber towel. Just gonna wipe that down. White, so I feel like it needs just like a repaint. It has nothing to do with the powder. I am gonna spray this as well. That looks really freaking bad. It looks honestly horrifying. Oh my goodness.
Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot